Hey, everybody, my name is Bobby Borg, and I'm here to help you turn your art into a more successful business. We've been talking about music marketing for the DIY musician, creating and executing a plan of attack on a low budget. And now we have been talking about strategy. We've been talking about promotion. And another promotion strategy that I want to discuss with you is guerrilla street marketing. And we're also going to get into what's called word of mouth marketing. So what's word of mouth marketing? Word of mouth marketing is essentially the process of creating a buzz. Now, if you wonder where that word comes from, buzz, it's essentially getting people to talk about you sort of naturally. And when a lot of people are talking about you, it just kind of sounds like a buzz, right? That's where that all comes from, in case you were ever wondering. The best way to get people to talk about you is to create high quality products, right? Easier said than done. But think about it. If you create quality and people really love what you do, they're going to talk about it. So you go to a movie, you love the movie, you're going to go home and tell your friends about it, right? So first steps is you want to actually create quality products. But there's other things that you can do as well. To get people talking, to stimulate interest, a lot of times contests are a really, really good thing as well. So you can create contests where, let's just say, for example, you pay $400 to buy an iPhone and then tell your fans that if they did something in particular, they could win this iPhone. And I'll tell you, you'll probably stimulate more promotion for yourself with that $400 than you would buying some ad or doing something else with it. People would be talking on the internet, people would be sharing videos. It's quite amazing. You can do scavenger hunts. You can even just seek out that really cool person in your school, town, or work that always knows where the cool party is and get him to start talking about your products and services, or her to start talking about your products and services. So again, essentially word of mouth is really just trying to find ways to get people to talk about you, okay? So it's pretty simple. Let's move on to guerrilla street marketing now. Guerrilla street marketing it really comes from the term, and I hate to go here, but it's really the best way to explain it. It comes from guerrilla warfare. It comes from a type of warfare where sort of the smaller masses go up against the bigger masses, and they do that in really covert ways where they come out of the jungles and they shoot, and then they run, and they come up through tunnels that they build, and they shoot and they run, and so on and so forth. And so guerrilla marketing is essentially the same thing. We're coming out at night with our little stickers and things like that, going up against the big billboards, on the streets, and the big radio advertisements and things like that. So we're going up against the man with our little commando techniques, but they do work. So what are some guerrilla marketing strategies? Stickers are a great way to sort of, put them in like bathroom stalls, or put them up by the record store for those of them that still exist, or put it up by the radio station, or whatever the case might be, instrument shops or whatever. You put your sticker there, it's your logo, it's your brand that people will recognize. Another way is street stencils. Now, that is illegal to paint on your sidewalks, but you might want to think about using spray chalk and doing that. It lasts for 2 or 3 days, and you can use spray chalk and spray chalk your logo using stencils. Handing out posters and postcards in front of a club, hanging up posters on the side of buildings and things like that. Or doing what's called guerrilla raids, where you set up your equipment and you play at the shopping mall, and then pack it up and split before the mall cops come, that kind of thing. Again, I should just probably say that as a disclaimer, anything that you do, I didn't tell you to do it, okay? So you always want to check your laws of your city to make sure that you're not doing anything illegal. That pretty much wraps it up. Guerrilla street marketing is inexpensive, and it is also very, very effective as well. My name is Bobby Borg. I'm here to help you turn your art into a more successful business. This is music marketing for the DIY musician, creating and executing a plan of attack on a low budget. The next thing that we're going to talk about is another promotion strategy in the promotion strategy mix. So hang in there, and we'll be back in a minute.